tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the thing called image reduction by YOLO V8. It's a very simple project. It will be very useful whoever want to learn and gather knowledge about the object detection in the area of computer vision and so on and so on. So in the previous sessions I explained about the YOLO V5 and V8 architecture too. So whenever doubt, please kindly check the playlist. Here image reduction by YOLO V8. How is possible? So here we can detect the image or video, everything with the help of YOLO V8 easily. So YOLO V8 is one of the advanced version and plays a very important role in deep learning also, deep learning too, and it is introduced by the company called Altalytics. So if you want to detect the image with the help of YOLO V8, you can follow the steps like install the required libraries, and you can go for connectivity, give the import the packages and go for inference. If you need, you can go for inference, and fourth step is very important, that is visualize the results, and at last you can go for the fine tuning if needed like that. So for this one, the first step is we have to actually before going this one, I have a image called bc.jpg, that is I already installed in the G drive, my G drive. And if you want to run this, execute this coding, before that you have to save the image, any image, sample image in the drive, and you can connect to the drive with the Google Colab easily. So the step number one is pip install Altalytics. This is the step helpful to install and import the YOLO V8 by default here. So it will collect and give the support for pip install work. So whatever the want direct, you can direct also. And why you go for YOLO V8, because more accuracy. That's the major thing compared to the YOLO V5 and so on, V7 or 2. So YOLO V8 with a better accuracy, and even image resolution is very good compared to that one. So after this one, we can import the packages with the help of the function called from Altalytics import YOLO. Then we can give the warnings necessary. Then we can compile the model with the help of model is equal to YOLO of YOLO V8m.pt by default. So it will help to download the models also. Then we need support of pillow. So pillow I already told you. Later if you want, you can give the command box pip install pillow. Then we can go for the final step, that is called visualize the results. For visualize the results, we can use the URL method. Before that, we can access from PIL import image. This is helpful to display the image also. Then we can write the coding URL is equal to, this is the link where I gave my drive save the image called b.tech, and we can give image equal to image.open URL image. So once you give the one, it will detect the object and display here. So it is temporary one. So later we can go for further image detection the video also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. ఇంటికి వచ్చినారా పని ఓ అతను అన్నిటి చేసినారా చెప్పిందా వాట్సాప్ ప్రింట్ అవుట్ దా పెట్టాలి